Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and moving straight to the Layout tab. This is where Page Dimensions live. Click Orientation to pick Landscape. This flips width and height so tables and wide images fit. If you need a different paper size, click Size next, because orientation depends on the selected paper. Once done, make sure your margins still work. Changing orientation can push content. Save a copy before big changes, so you can change just part of a document by placing the cursor where you want landscape to begin. Open the Page Setup dialog from the corner of the Page Setup group. This gives precise control. Choose Landscape, and then use the Apply to menu to select this point forward or selected text, so only those pages flip. Once done, insert section breaks if needed to isolate formatting. That prevents subsequent pages from inheriting the orientation change. To finish, add a section break after the landscape pages if you need to return to portrait, because orientation is section-based. Then inspect headers, footers, and page numbers. They can move or require unlinking between sections. If tables or images shifted, resize or set text wrapping to fix flow. If things go wrong, undo and retry using explicit section breaks before changing orientation. That prevents unintended global changes and keeps your document structure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.